Not every camping chair is designed to last rough and tumbling weather. You need the best camping chair to be comfortable while camping. It should be supportive, foldable, and made to last in rough weather. Camping chairs are available in various materials, shapes, and sizes, and their quality differs significantly. Some of them are budget-friendly, while others entirely focus on features and facilitation. No matter what type you're looking for, we have covered it in our roundup. In this video, we're going to review our top 3 recommendations for the best camping chair of 2022. You can check out the description of this video below for the links to all these products. And don't forget to like and subscribe to your daily list of best outdoor product reviews. Now let's have a look at the top 3 best camping chairs of 2022. Number 3. Kelty Low Loveseat, Best 2-Person. Looking for a cool foldable camping chair for 2, the Loveseat by Keltie is a good option for you to try. Keltie has used polyester fabric to construct this chair, and its dimensions are 23.5 inches by 44 inches by 39.5 inches, weighing around 15 pounds. So carrying this chair in your pack is not going to be a tough job at all. It's a great chair to binge watch the outdoors and chill around for those long conversations. This chair makes cuddling up around a campfire pretty easy. This chair comes with adjustable arms and beverage holders. The chair features a durable steel frame and fully adjustable armrests. In addition to that, it comes with a multi-position recliner. You can also use the roll tote storage with padding to put your gear and stuff close to you. This chair comes with a total weight capacity of 500 pounds. Its quilted fabric constructions will make you comfortable to sit all day long. It's a pretty comfortable chair for 2, and the best part is that you can easily fold it and store it away in your luggage. Its lightweight design makes it a good choice for hiking and backpacking too. Whether you're looking for a chair for camping or tailgating, it's going to be a pretty fine choice for any outdoor activity. And with a heavy load capacity, you won't have to be worried that it might collapse. Number 2. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair, Best Runner-Up. Here's another camping chair for individuals that is pretty lightweight to carry. This chair is of textile and is going to be a pretty breathable option for you to sit on. And with a maximum laid capacity of 400 pounds, this chair is not flimsy by any stretch of the imagination. Its dimensions are 48 inch by 8 inch by 8 inch, and it only weighs 9.5 pounds. Therefore, it's a pretty smart choice for backpacking or hiking as well. But you can use it for camping, tailgating, and sports viewing. This camping chair is available in various colors and gives you that premium seating experience. You won't have to deal with any sag, as the textile material features durable diamond polyester ring stop. In addition, there's a breathable mesh on the backrest of this seat that will keep you comfortable when you lay back. This chair's armrests come with cup holders, and there's an organizer with a zipper and a mesh pocket. One thing that makes it the best option for carrying on the move is that it comes with a strap attached to the chair and a carrying bag. So it's an excellent option for traveling and outdoors. You can lock it open to ensure the chair remains stable throughout the time you are in it, and then lock it closed for easy storage and transport. Number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong, Best Overall. As the name suggests, the King Kong camping chair by ALPS Mountaineering is a true beast. It features a highly durable and stable steel frame that will allow you to sit and rest in this chair for as long as you want. Its dimensions are 38 inch by 20 inch by 38 inch, and it only weighs 12.5 pounds. The chair is of 600D polyester fabric, and the steel frame is powder coated. So this chair is all about the outdoors and traveling. Both the armrests of this chair are fully adjustable according to your comfort. In addition, they come with a cup holder and side pockets. It will allow you to keep all the important stuff right next to you for easy access. This chair also comes with an integrated carrying strap. It allows you to fold the chair conveniently and store or transport it according to your needs. One of the best features of this chair is that it comes with a laid capacity of 800 pounds. So this Kong can hold up pretty well. With its robust construction and large weight capacity, it is one of the best camping chairs out there. But with those side pockets and a comfortable folding design and easy to travel and store, this is the ultimate camping chair. So that's it for the top 3 camping chairs of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the notifications about our latest videos.